My people not be smarting. No, I not can understand wetin dey happen for the world again. No, this one wey be say our young guys they go they marry old women now. Me I not can understand. Oh, now old women make us now I can sweet pass now. Be waiting. My people I just see one for Instagram just now. I say make I see waka reach Instagram. Now I see the one way the girl, the man, they marry old woman, young guy. If that guy age to maybe 20s, now he go there. They marry old woman, they happy safe. Now he dance pass. Now he even happy pass. So the thing come dey like the surprise. What he make this boy pass all the young girls wey dey this world? Say na old woman he want marry. This old woman go don reach 60 years sef. My people I will put am make una see am o. Our women, our old women dey carry young guys now o. Make una see shine una eye. Make una shine una eye. No wonder whether our brother for Facebook Umenwa marry old woman too. Everybody call the surprise. They even leave young girl go marry old woman. Wetin come dey happen now? Wetin come dey happen? My people make I put the video make una see am o. This one loud. Now the boy come dance pass. The boy na come dance pass. My people make una watch this video with me.